mathematics in East ABC, quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation? Is this when you see x raised to power 2, when you see a value that is raised to power 2 here, when you have this kind of equation, all equal to 0, we call it quadratic equation. Okay. On the other simple equation, which is called linear equation, there is nothing like power 2. So let's explain now. Assignment we have here is to be able to replace this one at the center so that we form a pair here, because we use the pair to shift, that is to draw the pair one this side and this with another this side. So we'll find something that will agree to give us minus 12 and to give us plus x. So the normal way we do it is that we say the one here, I don't want to mention, call it coefficient, the coefficient of this x. As the language is not good to be mentioned here. Gradually we'll begin to mention them. So the one invisible one here times this one would give us 12. 1 times 12 give us 12. Any value like this without number here, know that it is invisible one. So we want to find out what will give us. We take that 12 here to find out the factors of 12. Factors of 12 are 1 times 12 is 12. 2 times 6 is 12. 3 times 4 is 12. So which one will suit us, bringing it at the center here? That's what we're looking for. We discover that it is this one. If we minus 3 and add 4, we will get 1 as our answer. The meaning here is 4 minus 3 is 1. So, and if we say 3 times 4, it will give us 12. So we take this one, come here. We say, look at it, we replace it here. Minus 3 and plus 4. We now fix x. There was no x fixed. Now we will not fix. We fix it because we have found what we wanted. Okay, so we finally have this equation. Now we pair them up with bracket. Pair them up with bracket. You see, when we pair them up, after doing that, it's still 0. After doing that, we try to factorize each one of them, bring out a value from the center here. So the value we find is there is x. Bring out x because x is here and x is here. It will remain 1x and this one will remain 3. We normally say it will remain x. We don't say 1x, but as we are learning, we use that word 1x. So we bring out x here. So we come here, we do the same thing. What can we bring out here is 4. 4 will divide for 1. So to leave x alone. So we'll have 4 and then this one will remain, x will divide 12, remain 3. The good thing, the beautiful thing about this thing is that we must always see the 2 in the brackets are the same. This is x minus 3. X minus 3. Good. We have achieved what we want. Equals 0. So we'll come here. We'll pick the ones outside. X plus 4. And form one bracket. And choose either of the 2. We can't take the 2. We'll just take 1 and put here. Now we'll form 2 equations. X plus 4, which is this one, equals 0. Equation 1. X minus 3. X minus 3 equals 0. Equation 2. So when we solve here, if we leave x here and take 4 across, because 2 of them cannot be there, to find what 1x will be, that 1x. I'm using 1 because we are learning. It is called x. What x will give us? This one will cross here. It will give us minus 4. Look at it. X minus 4. This one will cross here. It will be plus 3. Remember, we have done it. When a value is crossing equality sign, the sign there will change to the opposite. So this is minus 3 is now plus 3. Look at it, plus 3. So this is the value, the final value. We prove it. We do A and B, A and B. So where we have x, like here, x is plus 3. Remember 3 and plus 3 is the same thing. That's what we are showing. When you see a number without sign, it means it's a positive number, it's plus. There's invisible plus there. So x is plus 3. So where we see x, we put 3. Look at x here, we put 3. Put the power that is there, look at it. 3 raised to power 3, that is, we have replaced. Then this one has no power, we put the 3. We have replaced x. So if we go further, we say 3 raised to power 2 is 9. It is 3 times 3, 9. Plus this 3 it will give us 12. See, 12 minus 12 is 0, which means this equation is correct. Okay? So we'll come again. B1 is x equals minus 4. Where we see x, put minus 4. We put minus 4 here, see. We put the power that is there too. Now, plus x is minus 4. So now, we say minus 4 here means minus 4 times minus 4. And minus 4 times minus 4 is 16. Minus will cancel minus. We'll have 16. So now we'll have 16 minus this 4 will give us what? 12. 16 minus this 4 will give us 12. Now 12 minus this 12 is 0. So this one is also correct. So the equation is correct. Well done. Gradually we will get there. See you.